Hey guys, my name is Mr. Robot Light 007 and today I will show you how to do a deauthentication attack. So first of all, what is a deauthentication attack? It is an attack in which you can disconnect any client from any network. You don't need to know the Wi-Fi password. You don't need to connect to that Wi-Fi network, and it works on all encryptions VEP, VPA2 and VPA. So for this you have to do a few changes, and you will need a Wi-Fi adapter because your Kali Linux cannot access the inbuilt Wi-Fi card of your laptop. So I will be using a Wi-Fi adapter for this, and you need to do a few changes in your VirtualBox first. Go into the settings, USB, and add your Wi-Fi adapter here. Mine is Rolling Technology Corp 802.11 and VLAN. So I will add this and press OK, and I will start up Kali. And for doing this attack, your Kali Linux doesn't need internet connection. So just you need is so all you need is a Wi-Fi adapter and Kali Linux. So first of all, we will do a few changes to our Wi-Fi card. First of all, we will down this using down. Okay, and we don't need any type of internet connection for this, so I'm disconnecting it. As you can see that it is not connected to the internet right now. And now we have to change its mode. This can be done using this command: if iwconfig LAN mode monitor. By default all Wi-Fi cards run in the mode managed, but for this we will change it to monitor mode and hit enter. Okay, iwconfig if config. Okay, it is VLAN 0 iwconfig VLAN 0 mode monitor. It should resource busy. Okay, if config VLAN down, iwconfig VLAN 0 mode monitor. Okay, now we can check it if it is in monitor mode or not. Now it is in monitor mode, and now we can do if config VLAN up. Okay, so we will use airodump-ng to capture the packets. It is a packet sniffer which will capture all the packets nearby. Airodump-ng, and VLAN 0 is our Wi-Fi card, and we will hit enter. As you can see that it is capturing what is bssid. It is actually the MAC address of your Wi-Fi network. I will be targeting my laptop, and my Wi-Fi is it's not over, and you can see that its MAC address is right here. So we will give it a few seconds. So I will be targeting my own laptop. It is connected to, it's not over my Wi-Fi, and we will check the MAC address first. For this you need to type if config slash all, and you can see that the physical address, that is the MAC address, is 14 f16 d 816, and this, so you get the idea. It is right here. And I forgot to tell you one more thing, that what is this PWR? It is the signal strength or the power of the network. Beacon is the number of frames, and the channel is the channel on ch is the channel on which on it is working, and mb is the maximum speed it can reach. inc is the encryption it is using. It is using vpa2, and cipher is the cipher it is used in the network, and auth is the authentication used, and essid is the name of my wi-fi. So we know the mac address of our wi-fi, and we know the mac address of our target. So let's specify this. Okay. We need to run this again, but this time we will specify the channel on which our wi-fi is working. It is working on channel 5, and its mac address is id is oh shit, channel 5 bssid is okay. So now we will do the deauthentication attack, and for this we will be using aireplay-ng. It is a program which will send deauthentication attack. What it means is it will simply send it deauthentication packets, like we would like if it is connected to the network, it will still say I don't want to connect to it. You will see, I will show you in a few minutes. Okay, so we will be using airplay ng and minus minus deauth, and we will send it a large number of deauthentication packets like this, and we will specify the source, which is the mac address of my wi-fi, and destination, which is the target mac address of the target, which is my laptop in this case, and our wi-fi card, it is plan 0. Okay. Okay, now as you can see that it is sending the authentication packets, and I will show you. Okay. As you can see that it is now showing no internet, but it is still connected, but it's showing no internet. So that's how you can do a deauthentication attack. You don't need to know the password, you don't need to connect to that network. So basically you don't need anything regarding to that wi-fi, but you need to know the mac address of your uh, target, let's say target client, which you want to disconnect. And you can also disconnect all of the devices connected. You have to just copy this command that is right here and change that is right here, airplay ng minus, and all you have to do is just change the mac address of the client you wish to disconnect. And in this way you can disconnect all the clients from their own wi-fi network without even knowing their wi-fi password or even connecting to their network. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.